It is 4:39 in the morning. We just arrived at the Glacier Gorge Trail in Rocky Mountain National Park, and we are ready to hike to Sky Pond.
In case you were wondering why we started so early, Rocky Mountain National Park is doing a timed entry permit system to limit the amount of people in the park. Once you purchase this pass at recreation.gov, you can enter the park in the 2-hour window that you selected. Unfortunately, we did not get one of these passes for July 2nd because it was sold out for 4th of July weekend. But you can beat the system by arriving before 5 a.m. or after 6 p.m. It was good to get an early start because we secured a parking spot in a normally crowded lot and we had the trail almost all to ourselves. At this point of the trail, we were about 0.8 of a mile in by Alberta Falls, but it was still pretty dark. Don't worry though, we were able to get a few videos and pictures of this beautiful waterfall on the way back down, which you will see later in the video.
Look at that sky! Not sure how well you could see it on the GoPro, but the sky behind us is magical. The sun is starting to come up and it's that beautiful orange color. Oh man.
50 shades of orange.
50 shades of orange. We're not even close to Sky Pond, but our views are getting pretty epic. So, Sky Pond is the #2 ranked trail on all trails in Rocky Mountain National Park. It's ranked as difficult. It's an out and back 9.4 miles and 1,758, I think, feet of elevation gain. But just note that this trail does start at what, over 9,000 feet?
9,160 when I checked.
Yeah, so you're starting at a pretty high elevation. So if you're stuck in wind doing this trail, don't worry, we are too. We are 2.5 miles in and we officially hit 10,000 feet of elevation. We are from New Jersey, which is basically at sea level. So we are definitely feeling the elevation, but not too bad so far. When we started this morning, it was about 45 degrees. So I had a fleece on, but we're 2.5 miles in. I'm officially down to a tank top. I guess the hiking warmed me up. But I think it's supposed to go up to about mid-70s today, so should be a pretty nice day. It is July 2nd, and check out all the snow! Things you don't see in New Jersey in July. We made it to the Loch! Lake #3 on this epic hike. Lake #1 of 3. Wow, check this out! This is beautiful.
Greetings from the Loch.
just got our first view of Timberline Falls, and we are actually going to have to climb this waterfall to get to Lake of Glass and Sky Pond. So we're just trying to map out our route. I know you can take the snow on the side over here, or you could climb up the rock. So we're gonna scope it out, see which one looks best. We are going to attempt to climb up the rocks. There were some people in front of us on the snow, and it looked like they were struggling quite a bit. So we're gonna give this a go. If it doesn't work out, we'll go back to the snow and try that way. Time to climb Timberline Falls. Here we go.
So, you're climbing up snow, ice, loose rock, and a waterfall. Part rock climbing, part scrambling, part problem solving, but all parts fun. How was that?
Woo! Not every day that you get to climb a waterfall. We are not done climbing yet. We gotta go all the way up there. Sketchy AF.
Still climb the waterfall. You don't chase it, climb it.
We're in the final push up the waterfall. I'm pretty sure we're just a few feet away from Lake of Glass. Checking out an incredible view from Lake of Glass.
Bear spray. Never know when you're gonna run into a bear. Also for when Michelle gets out of line.
So it just got really windy really quick, so the fleece is officially back on. Lake of Glass is beautiful. We have a little bit further to go to get to Sky Pond, and I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited.
After 4.5 miles, we finally made it to Sky Pond. I tripped coming down.
Check out Sky Pond. 10,870 feet.
Soaking up the views from Sky Pond.
One last view from Sky Pond before we head back to the trailhead.
Going down the waterfall proved to be a much bigger challenge than going up the waterfall. It was tough to get traction on the slick rocks, and we definitely took our time. If you plan to do this trail, wear good hiking boots and climb slowly.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. Right?
We just made it down the waterfall, and I have to say that was sketchy AF. Going up, not too bad. Going down without micro spikes, a little sketch. Here's a pretty cool view of Alberta Falls. It was pretty dark when we were on the way up, but it looks absolutely incredible now. Hi, buddy.
So we're just getting back to the parking lot. My Garmin showing 9.12 for distance traveled. The elevation gain was pretty much on the money. We are near death.
And we still have another hike to do.
So we will give you some more information when we can actually breathe.
All right, we just made it back to the car and competed
against everybody else on the mountain.
The Rocky Mountain Championships. All right, we just made it back to the car. We completed the Sky Pond Trail. We saw Alberta Falls, the Loch, Lake of Glass, and Sky Pond. It was absolutely incredible. We're definitely kind of dead right now. We just flew in yesterday, landed in the afternoon, passed out, and then woke up and did this trail first. So we're definitely not acclimated. We're used to being at sea level, so this is a lot of elevation for us. But the views made every second of it worth it. What do you think, babe?
I loved every second of it.
It was awesome.
Yes, especially when I slid down the snow-covered waterfall portion. That listen, bring a toboggan because you're gonna slide on the snow.
All right, so we're gonna take a little break, have a quick snack, and then we're gonna head out on the Emerald Emerald Lake and Dream Lake and Nymph Lake, Lake Haya, lots of lakes. We're gonna see that next. So we'll see you guys on the next adventure.